Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data. Copy your world folders and important resource packs to a separate location so nothing is lost. Once done, write down the exact Minecraft version and every mod or forge/fabric loader you use. That record prevents mismatches later. Make sure the game and any launchers are fully closed. Do not try fixes while the client is running. This step speeds recovery and isolates variables, so the only change you make next is controlled and reversible. You now eliminate third-party causes. Remove the mods folder, the config folder, and any additional jars in the versions directory. Once removed, replace the profile with a clean vanilla version using the official launcher verify or by redownloading that version. This ensures corrupted mod hooks are gone. If you used Fabric or Forge, uninstall those loaders too. Doing this forces Minecraft to run its native code path, and is why it resolves safe mode-like crashes caused. You finish by installing a fresh vanilla client and launching it once so Minecraft rebuilds the default folders. After confirming a stable launch, copy back your saved worlds only and test them. If you must re-add mods, do so one at a time, launching between additions to spot the exact mod that breaks the game. If problems continue, make sure your Java/runtime matches the game's requirements or create a new launcher profile. That final troubleshooting step isolates environment-level issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.